ready to race number 2, and the race is on Sunday Street. From the outside, Chuchinelli, Devil in Disguise, Donori inside this amazing act, and Sheila Princess is the early trailer by about 4 or 5 lengths up the leader. Amazing act, this time by some 2 lengths, followed by Chuchinelli. Alongside the Sunday Street, Devil in Disguise, racing forward by Lincoln Up, and Sheila Princess still running at the tail of the field. Rounding the far turn, amazing act by Sam Tulencio Chinelli. Sunday Street racing from the outside. Devil in Disguise is racing forward by Dralan Sheila Princess as they race the last 250. Amazing act. Sunday Street is on the outside. Devil in Disguise, Chuchinelli and Sheila Princess. And nearing the last 100 meters more to run. Amazing act by Darrell and Sunday Street from the outside. Chuchinelli, Devil in Disguise, Sheila Princess. And finally, amazing act. Devil in Disguise, Chuchinelli, Sunday Street, and Sheila Princess comes last.
Okay, only the third